Hello everyone, here's Jerry, your favorite Polish mad lad, and today we are doing a devlog, but short. So, what I did after the last devlog, I finished the pooling system that I talked about, and it was a failure! Yeah, missile didn't synchronize correctly at the end, and I haven't any solution to interpolate them correctly. So, I abandoned it and I burned out on Vandalhalla. So next what I did is this hexagonal landscape procedural generator. I really think it's handsome, but it's not finished. I want to add much more content on it, but I have to finish Vandalhalla first. So next, talking about Vandalhalla, I started a little thing that I have an imagination on. It's called a physics predicted client-side server authoritative simulation. So what does it mean? So we no more teleport the object on the network and we don't interpolate it. And now we are sending information about the physics simulation, and this is interpreted in the server as a normal physics system and on the client, and this helps us to synchronize over the network without sending the position of the object. That save on Vandalhalla several bytes to send, and mainly it helped to make the game so much fluent, and that saved us so much traffic that now the game is very fluid. And I'm so amazed by that. So I started to adjust everything that I did since now in order to make this system work again. And it's pretty much it. So now you can see on the screen a little gameplay with that. And you can see that it's maybe day and night because physics were not synchronized in the past. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this episode. I know it's short, but I want to make this devlog short now, because I don't see any point of, yeah, I did that, this, that, no. Results, only results. So yeah, pretty much it. Really glad that physics works now. I really have now hope for the game, because it will work correctly. For the sake of working. I'm really happy you can see that, and yeah, it's pretty much what I wanted to show you this month. Nice. So yeah, I will try to maybe make this every 2 weeks if it's a shorter format. So yeah, thank you for watching, have a great day, remember to code every day, and see you next time.